Let's get proper setup. Get this position at the top. At this position, your right shoulder inside of the right foot. Left shoulder ahead of the left knee. If you satisfy these conditions, position of right shoulder and left shoulder, that means you have properly coiled. This is the shoulder position. What proper coiling gives you, you can easily proper delivery position with respect to your intended shot. This is the great thing in golfswing that you have to be successfully applying. Pelvis move in downswing. Peter COWEN advises to do not like this. This is the suggestion made by Peter COWEN as to the pelvis move. Now let's see what happens. Start to coil up. Remember, you are not turning, you are coiling up. As you turn, you are going up in a helical path. Turning is poisonous in golfswing. If you create troublesome tilt before takeaway, before backswing, you complete your backswing, then you will end up having your trail elbow and trail arm move back. Your club head gets behind. That means you have not taken the best position for the downswing. You have distorted club pad. In order to correct this position, you have to manipulate the club, You tend to come from the top because you are here. If you turn in your backswing properly, you take this position. And this is easy for you to come down. That means your engine for trail elbow is working properly. Don't create at the beginning of the takeaway, don't create this unwanted tilt. One great tip here, if you coil up properly, you find it very easy to press on your left foot and turn your pelvis. If you are having difficulty, that means you have not done backswing coiling up properly. Be careful. Check this. The same for Peter COWEN and for HOGAN. And second thing is, if you are having difficulty coming into yourself at the end of the impact, if you are having difficulty like this, coming into yourself, not along the target line, but coming into yourself, if you are having difficulty in coming over into yourself, that means, again, you have not properly coiled up in your backswing. If properly coiled up, then you can easily come back to into yourself. Now let's give it a try.